Governor Bill Lee discussing the impact of the pandemic across the state and in Tennessee schools. Call for Action problem solver Caresse Jackman was at the briefing and has the very latest from the Capitol. Caresse?
Yeah, Tom, Governor Bill Lee wanted to stress that safety and health is his top priority when it comes to going back to schools, but he also really stressed the fact that academics are very important to this school year. So he brought up two people at this press conference. He brought up the Tennessee Higher Education Commission as well as Tennessee's Tech to address their plans for the year, how they plan on having guidelines, and say they are ensuring that classrooms and campuses will be safe to return. But we're also still hearing a lot of concerns from parents about their kids being in public school during this pandemic. One parent even reached out to our newsroom telling us that just days after Sumner County schools opened, she received word about COVID-19 positive cases at her child's school. She was told her child needed to be quarantined and follow guidelines. So we reached out to Sumner schools about this, and they told us in a statement that in part, as of Wednesday afternoon, we have had 11 schools impacted by COVID-19 positives. Parents of the students in the affected classrooms have been notified via our school messenger system per our district protocol. Now, we asked the state about this COVID-19 and school data. Here's what Education Commissioner Penny Schwinn had to say to us today.
We have a dashboard that was published, and right now that dashboard encompasses information related to anticipated start date, whether it is remote, hybrid, or fully in person. Districts will start updating that through a shared drive, ideally on a daily basis around closures as they happen. What that dashboard is you can go on the website, you type in the district name, it gives you the status of the district, and then you can drill down for specific schools.
Now, one thing we also asked and pressed Governor Bill Lee about is the fact that many people feel that going back to school right now is a serious health risk and could potentially be harmful or deadly. We heard Dr. James Hildreth talking about that this morning in the mayor's press conference. And Governor Bill Lee said, look, he understands that some people are worried about safety, but he says, again, education is very important right now. And there are some advantages to going back to school, he says, such as nutrition for kids who may not have meals, and also just making sure that they don't fall behind this school year. I'm Call for Action problem solver Caresse Jackman, News 4 Nashville.
As always, Caresse, a lot to soak in. Thanks so much.